Just simply come on to this website, pick any image that you like, then simply start making hundreds of dollars every single day. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can earn $214 every single hour on this new website. Guys, this is gonna be a complete tutorial, so make sure to watch this from the start till the very end and not skip even a single part of this video. And without wasting any more time, now we are gonna jump into step number 1.
Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe.
Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to cafepress.com. Now guys, cafepress.com is going to be the website that we're going to be using for this particular method. Now, what is CafePress? Now, as the name suggests, they are basically a pressing website, meaning that they simply manufacture designs on different forms of merchandise. Now guys, nowadays they are offering a 35% sales-wide, so like now is a good time to get started on this method itself. So they offer the creation of merchandise in many different forms. Like they basically let you sell t-shirts, water bottles, canvas totes, beach towels, and many more things as well. Now scrolling down, you can see all their recent collection and everything that is trending during the summer. Now guys, it is important to know what's trending because that way you can get even more sales than you first initially anticipated. So always follow trends when you are like doing this method. Now scrolling even further, we can even see some of their best partners. So they have Pepsi on board, they have Marvels itself, they have Star Trek, Peanuts, Friends, Supernatural, the series. Like all these big names are trusting this website for the production of their merchandise. Now from over here, if you were to like work with this website, you can like even design, you can like even create communities of people that you think alike with. Now what I want you to do is that I want you to simply take a look at the top shelf of their store. So like over here, they basically have merchandise for different times or for like different occasions. So like you can basically create merchandise for gifts, occasions, clothing and accessories, drinkware, home and decor, stationery and signs, and officially licensed merchandise as well if you want to go that route. Now, on the occasion section, you have the 4th of July merchandise, you have the birthday gifts, you have the anniversary gifts, you have the wedding gifts, and then you even have the graduation gifts as well. So like basically you can see that like what special holiday is coming up. Like over here we have the list of all the holidays. Now whenever a holiday is coming up, you can simply start to manufacture merchandise for that particular holiday, and when that holiday arrives, everybody is going to be buying merchandise for that particular holiday, and you can simply start selling your merch on that particular holiday. So guys, like that is how you can make money, and that is how you can like follow trends. Now over here we even have a drinkware merchandise as well, meaning that you can like simply put, you know, pictures of anything, pictures of like graphics of any sorts on any mug, latte mugs, stainless steel tumblers, like even photo mugs, funny mugs, gun smoke, military stuff, and like many more things as well. And then they also have home and decor. Now guys, the reason I'm telling you all of this is that you can like make money from all these things if you were to think smart about it, because like there is potential in all of these things, and I would really hate it if you guys did not take full advantage of this particular method. Now what I want you to do is simply click on the top right corner where it says sign in/join. Click on join, and then after that wait for a few seconds and their sign up page is gonna load up. Now when this page loads up, from over here sign up by putting in your email address, a secure password, the secure password again, and then simply create an account for absolutely free. Now once you've done that, I'm gonna catch you guys in step number 2. Step number 2. So in step number 2, once you have signed up successfully, what you can do now is that you can simply pick any product from these particular sections. Now guys, considering that the 4th of July is coming up in just a day or two, I'm gonna click on the 4th of July. Now similarly, you can follow this for any holiday, for any special occasion, for anything whatsoever. Now when I do that, over here I can see all the designs that people are selling. So like we have people selling, you know, t-shirts, mugs, slippers, then we even have baby rompers, we have flags, and you know, like we basically have a whole range of things that we can choose from. Now what you can do is that you can simply take inspiration from these things and you can go on to create your own. From over here, simply choose what you want to create. I'm gonna choose men's t-shirts because I really think that they're gonna sell, and plus the weather is very hot, so I think that there'll be a good sale. I'm gonna click on that, and then after that I'm gonna wait for a few seconds, and now I have all these colors available. Now you can pick from any one of these t-shirts. So like for example, let's say I want to sell this t-shirt. I'm gonna click on this one, and then this is gonna load up. Now guys, when I'm gonna be selling this is how much it is gonna cost me, $27 for this one shirt. Now what I can do is that I can like change the colors as well, and then from over here I can see all the sizes available. Now if I click on add text, I can type in something over here, I love my country, and then after that simply click on apply, and I will see that text over here. So like I have this text over here, and I can simply like maybe even change the font of this to something more cool. So yeah, like now it looks really nice. So I'm gonna like come back over here, click on zoom minus, and this is how it looks. I am simply gonna reduce the size of this text over here as well, so that it fits in perfectly. And now here is my shirt. I think it looks really nice in itself as well. But like, let's say if I want to bring some light into this shirt, let's say I want to bring some value to this shirt even more. For that, I'm gonna ask you guys to move on to step number 3. Step number 3. So in step number 3, I want you to come on to pngtree.com. Now guys, pngtree.com is basically a website that is going to help you get PNGs for absolutely free. Now guys, what are PNGs? PNGs are basically images without any background, because like whenever you grab a picture, it always has a background, but PNG images don't have any background. All they have is the main object, and that is it. Now simply click on over here, and from over here simply type in America. Now once you type in America, from over here you can basically like pick any flag that you want. Again, you can do this for any occasion, for anything whatsoever, but for now we are going to focus on the 4th of July. I'm going to download this picture. Simply click on this green button over here, and then simply register for absolutely free really quickly with Google, and then simply download this onto your computer. So once you have signed up, you will see these two pages. When you click on the download button, click on free download, you will get 2 free downloads per day from them. And then once you have some money rolling in, you can simply buy their membership. Now once you have it onto your computer, simply come back to Cafe Press, and then from over here click on add image. From over here, upload the image that you just downloaded, and then from over here you will see that flag onto the shirt itself, and I think it's gonna look really nice. Now guys, just wait for a few seconds. It might take a couple of seconds to load this up completely, but once this is loaded, it is gonna look really nice. So guys, yeah, now we have our country flag. I'm gonna simply go back to text and remove any text that I have right now, because guys, like at the end we want to make sure that we have a shirt that looks really nice, because people never buy cheap products. So like right now this shirt looks epic, and I honestly love this so much. So yeah, like now we have a product. What we can do now is that we can simply click on review, and then after that we can simply like publish this on Cafe Press, and then we will start to like get a lot of orders, and then after a while we will simply be making money in passive income. Whenever we get an order, we can simply ship it out, pay the initial amount, and that customer is gonna like pay the amount, and then we will get half the money, and half the money will go to Cafe Press for like the manufacturing and the selling and the shipping and everything else. So like guys, that is how this works, and that is how you can make quite a lot of money if you were to like put the brains in it, and if you were to like actually put in some effort into this method. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.